Hello and welcome! Today I am working on a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Michaels. All of the colors you see here are custom made besides the Prussian blue. I am going to be doing a blowout. I am going to go ahead and layer my colors, then I'll use my hair dryer to blow them out. So nothing too fancy today. I did bring out my pearls that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm going to do something with those soon. And I thought about using them for this painting, but I decided I'm not going to. So stay tuned to see what I do with my pearls. That's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and finish layering my colors. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. what I'm gonna do with the paint that I tilted off the canvas is I'm gonna pour a couple more times so that I don't get the same blue color that I have here. So I was going to scrape this at first. I know you saw the hesitation, but I am really loving the movement and the colors. The brownish, like raw sienna, muted raw sienna color that I added sort of threw me off a little bit, and I know it was sketchy to use, especially using blues and greens, and then I used that yellow ochre as well. Yeah, it was a lot going on, but the custom champagne gold, 24 karat gold, and then I also added some titanium white. That color really helped out sort of separate these colors a little bit more so that I didn't get a very unpleasant color in this palette. But I'm really liking the movement. I'm happy I didn't scrape it. I can't wait to see how it dries, and it sort of looks like a bird to me or something. I don't know. But let me know in the comments what you think of this painting, and I'll show you tomorrow the dry results.